Hey boys, what's brackin'? Just kidding. Back in action. We're back in the action, man. Oh boy, we got some good news. I don't know if you guys saw yesterday's video, but it was the first part of a two-part series of me actually buying something on Icebox. Now, the amount of money I was gonna spend on jewelry from Icebox was related to the amount of love that we got on the video. Now, you guys gave that video a lot of love. Maybe we could chill with that a little bit. My bank account's freaking out. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you guys so much. Because of that, YouTube had no freaking choice but to actually share it a little bit more than usual. So we're finally getting some of our views back because YouTube hasn't been sharing us, all because you guys actually just showed a ton of love of giving thumbs up and comments down below, man. We got YouTube in a headlock on the ropes. You know what I mean? They had no choice but to share us a little bit more. Although that's completely not a legal boxing myth, but you know, we're gloves off now, man. Tried to make that sound cool. It just sounded awful. Anyway, please give a thumbs up, comment down below. Keep doing that. It really just goes to show, man, YouTube will share your videos more if the audience is really like fighting for you. All right, man, so we're just gonna get right into the video. This full video is actually sponsored by a company called Aporro. Now, you guys have probably heard of them. They're really big in the jewelry game. They've got a lot of affordable pieces, obviously. When we were actually talking about maybe working on a video, there's one piece that we have here that I'm so stoked for. I went on their website and I'm like, man, if y'all could send that piece so I could show the boys, that one right there for the video, let's do it. So they sent it in a couple more things. I'm very excited. Shout out to Aporro, links down below. Anyway, I got Aporro to send over, you know, a little brief statement of what they're really about, and what they told me was actually really cool. It really got me thinking. Obviously, they're proud of the brand and stuff like that, but what this guy is really pushing to me, the guy I've been talking to, he's really all about like just connecting people through art of jewelry from every race and da-da-da-da-da, which is like really dope. I know I didn't say that perfectly verbatim, but it got me thinking. It's like, man, like jewelry really is art. I never really thought of it that way. My mom, I don't know if you guys know, is an amazing artist. I've grown up with art my whole life. Actually, you probably don't know this either. I'm an art collector myself, so it really got me thinking. It's like, I guess in a way, jewelry is art to me. I'd never really thought about that. They really brought that up and it kind of made me respect them a little bit more. The whole art aspect of what they're trying to do and, you know, just bringing people together through that of likewise interests. You know what I mean? Thought that was really dope. Also, I will say they do high quality custom jewelry. So if you guys have anything in mind that you guys want done, they can do it probably at an affordable price, I'm assuming. I haven't gotten anything custom done by them. And they also offer 30-day returns with 365-day warranty. And I'm pretty sure that's how many days are in a year. I just remember it was a year. I wanted to say 365 or 4 days just to make it sound a little cooler. Anyway, the warranty's sick, customer service is dope. And lastly, Aporro is celebrating their 3rd anniversary starting like right now, bro. So if you go shop their website right now, they got some huge sales. And also, if you find something you like, you can add discount code NameBran10 for a nice little discount. I'm here for the boys. Links down below. Aporro, we appreciate you. Now let's get into what they sent me. Let's go, bro. Package is right here. Let's get into it. So I already took it out the box. I haven't looked at it whatsoever, but the box had my address all over it. Remember that one time? I keep bringing it up so it doesn't happen again. A lot of people got my address one time, sent me a bunch of dills in the mail. Weird. My girlfriend's like, the hell is going on, bro? Oh, we got another box. I'm very stoked. Oh god, I hate boxes. Box cutter. Oh, I'm an idiot. What are you doing? It's already open. Oh, but a box cutter, this thing. All right, sorry. Flop. Oh, cool. We got a nice little Aporro bag right there. Very sick. We got the Aporro box. Dope. And plop. Okay, what do we got in here? There, a little dust cloth. We got one of these things. Y'all know NameBran doesn't read that well. It might be dyslexic. I might not claim that at all. We got, it's, da-da-da-da-da. Dear customer, hope you enjoy. Thank you for being nice. Oh, we got a sticker. Nope, no, it's a booklet. The fuck? Okay. Cool. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I do have a sticker. I love stickers. Let's get into it, man. Dust bag. So we have, it looks like 2 pieces. This right here I can feel is the one that I've been so stoked for. I'm stoked for it all, but that one we're gonna leave for last. This one, they just like hit me up. They're like, bro, you gotta show the boys this one. It's real sweet. So what we have, okay, the classic. Oh, buddy. Every rapper rocks this. Y'all already know it. I think that's what it's like probably made famous from because there's the only people that can afford the real ones. We got the diamond Cuban, bro. Oh, how do I get these packages off? I'm an idiot, by the way. I always freak out when I see these packages. I ain't like talking hate. It's great because it really protects your piece. It's dope, but how do you get it off? Box cutter. This is not how you do a sponsorship, by the way, boys, but I'm just letting you know some life hacks along the way. What's this made out of? Curious. 12mm white gold box class Cuban. Cool. 321 hand placed CZ stones, so that's cubic zirconium. Zirconium? I don't know. Obviously not real diamonds. You're gonna be paying a lump sum for that. Oh yeah, you killed it this time, bud. There we go, we're getting it. Oh wow, she sparkles. Just out of the clear thoughts right now, like I'm not just saying this because it's sponsored or anything like that. Y'all know I don't go that way. That's why I don't even usually do sponsorships, but this is nice. Like that shine is beautiful. I've seen a few of these in my life, the real ones. You know, I got some cool people in LA that can actually afford this stuff and I've seen it. This like wouldn't be able to tell the difference. Yeah, a little friggin' lightning bolt on that too. Oh, you got a jeweled out on the inside too. One thing is, these always need to have a clasp like this. A lot of people will get chains like this and they'll just have one of those hook-on clasps. It looks ridiculous. It obviously means it's not real. It's not even good quality. This is real nice right here. Quality's dope. I don't know. I don't really know what else to tell you guys. It's just kind of what you see by eye. The feel looks nice. It's, you know, white gold aspect. Real sick. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really into the next piece we're getting up, bro. Let's get into that one. Actually, one thing I don't do on my videos that y'all give me a little bit of a hard time for, I never try things on and I get it. I don't understand why I wouldn't do that. It just doesn't really pop in my brain. So let me wear this throughout the video real quick, actually. Okay, word. Yeah, that's hype. Oh man, now I want to, what are you doing to me, Aparro? Now I want to drop 20 racks on a real one. Oh, this will do for now. Cool. Next up. This we're gonna chalk up as like real jewelry. It's just easier for titling reasons. If it's real jewelry, you know it's either like gold or silver, da 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 da. And this one, boys, is straight up freaking 925 silver. Oh, she's a big bugger. Let's go. So what we have here, boys, is straight up 925 silver, obviously like plated in gold. Goat ring, man. I saw that, I'm like, this is amazing. Did I pull that off, bro? I'd have to get my big ring game up if I really wanted to pull that off. I feel like all my rings gotta be big or I'm just wearing this on the plane, but this thing is insane. How much silver is that? She's hefty. She's hefty. Anyway, as y'all can see, it's just like, it's just a goat. What can you say? Actually, quick funny story. I don't think he'll mind me saying this. When we were talking and I picked out this piece, he's like, just out of curiosity, like, what does like this piece mean to you? And me, being an idiot, I'm like, freaking GOT, baby, goat. It's a ring for goats. That's all. And he sent up this beautiful write-up. He's like, all right, but here's what it means to us. I'm actually gonna read it to you guys, or just like lightly. And I'm just saying this for comedic effect of how my answer was weird. Aparro sees goat as our spiritual animal. In Greek mythology, Aporro is the son of Zeus. Zeus was nursed by goat. Our brand's name Aporro is from the goat of art Apollo. We express our thankfulness and respect through the craftsmanship and da 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 da. Holy crap. Boy, did I ever get that wrong. But you guys let me know, man. Would we classify this as like real jewelry? Am I classifying this right? Obviously, silver. We've already gone over it. It's like, it's the real stuff. You know what I'm saying? Not the real diamonds, but would y'all give me a hard time if I wore this every once in a while? Because I don't know, man. This thing is nutty. I feel like an absolute goat now. I feel like I finally got my freaking worth in life. Anyway, man, you guys let me know about these pieces. Appreciate Aparro. Their links are down below. You know, I probably just would have purchased this for a video anyway. So they really did us a solid on that one. Y'all are rocking it, bro. If we could get the thumbs up and comments up again, that would be really good. And let me know what you guys think about these pieces, this one, but specifically for my own curiosity, what you think about this, bro. Oh my gosh, the detail. I just imagine going to the bar, it's like waitress comes up, I'm hiding my hand, you know, and I'm like, oh, I'll get that one. And I just use like this finger ring to like point to what I want on the menu, just so I look like a little bit more of a boss. Not that I've done that before, I just had that idea, never tried it. Anyway, yeah, you guys let me know, bro. Aparro hooked it up. Let's go. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Freaking long weekend almost. I don't know when that happens. I'm a YouTuber. Bye.